Hello everybody, very good morning to all of you. I am very energetic and passionate with new topic today, and that is resource management, resource planning, resource allocation, and ultimately resource deployment and mobilization and demobilization. The project is very unique and temporary endeavors where we put various resources in the form of man, machine, material, and processes to implement, to execute the projects. In all the things, the resource means manpower first plays a very important role. Any project we are going to start, you have to have the resource means manpower resources are the first and most important part to have, because once the resource will have manpower resources will have, they will create other resources, like they will work on the procurement, like to get the man machine material, and they will develop the process and many things. So resource means manpower resources plays very important role in the projects. And if being a project manager, you must know that how many resources means manpowers are required for your projects, and what kind of manpowers are required, skilled, not skilled, and even in skilled, what types of skills are required in various, like if for engineering industry, we have to have um, mechanical, electrical instrument head, then you have quality peoples, then you have safety peoples, then you have inspection head, and then you have um, um, document control, planning, procurement, and so many. And all types of resources should be on the job first, so that they should plan for the remaining activities, because you cannot alone work all these things. They must also, the client side, we have resources also, and and we have to integrate our resources with client resources to have a proper communication, to understanding and clarifications. Sometimes in client, they don't want their own resource, they want to hire the resource from other side, other contractors, as a PMC role or engineering role, whatever. If, basically there also we have to know the knowledge of what types of resources we have to hire. Many people do mistake that no, they can do everything themselves. It is impossible. You have to have skilled people, knowledgeable people who are fully aware on the types of project we are going to handle and types of work it is involved. Resource recruitments, also HR, where HR plays very important in the resource management, resource recruitment. They have to put the inquiry on the various platform and get the resume, get it shortlisted, interview, and all these things, because these are the things that start when we have to get the resources in hand. The project before start, we have to have all types of construction, procurement, engineering, and technical, non-technical, other peoples, all types of people you are required, and that you have to have fully organized way. You have organization chart, where we have to have the complete planning and integration of each and every one. You have to have full monitoring and control on each and every things. The resources what we have, how they are they have to come to office, do work, their sitting arrangement, their stay arrangement, their all the things we have to plan properly so that people can come and work from the day one. So this should not be any loss on the man hours. For that we have to complete planning. So friends, this is in brief about resource planning, resource management, recruitment, and their utilization, and all the things in a project. So when we are going to start any project as a project manager, you should have this in mind, the organizational view. What are the various resources you need to take up the job to proceed? That's all for today. Thank you very much.